Will you help me take my radio voice to the next level? I've been a classical music radio announcer for a while now. It's time to go further with it, to really hone my craft and be the best I can be. So I've signed up to take a course in voiceover work with an awesome instructor, a nationally successful VO pro who has boosted many careers. I'm stoked about this. I recently did an intensive seminar at her studio in Burbank and found a deep excitement for this work. I already have the pipes, a home studio, and the interest in using my voice to communicate in various ways. This is a desire that actually began when I was a little girl and would listen to books on 33 RPM vinyl records with my grandfather, who was blind. I wanted to read stories to everyone's grandparents when I grew up. Audiobooks are a burgeoning phenomenon these days, as I'm told they now can be digitally linked to Kindles and ebooks, but that's only one of many ways to use the voice. This course will give me the skills and technical knowledge to explore even more avenues. The journey begins the first week of June. My goal of $3,500 by May 28th will cover the tuition for the 6-month training. I can stretch payments out over the 6-month term of the course, and I will if I have to, but there's a significant savings if paid in advance by 5/28. Because of the high quality of the program, the cost is a bargain, but it's also a big number for me. However, when I did the math, I realized I could actually get there with a little help from my friends. So I'm taking a leap of faith. I've donated to several projects and causes that my friends support. Now here I am on the other side of the coin, so to speak, reaching out to all my friends. I invite you to be on my team as I head off on this new adventure. Whether paying it back or paying it forward, you will have my most sincere gratitude. Unlike some fundraising efforts, I'm not offering set premiums for different levels of support. Instead, I ask that you contribute what you can now and let me know how I can repay you after the 6 months' time. For example, I could return your funds to you, edit your school application essay or a bit of your next book, paint a portrait of your cat, sing at your daughter's wedding, cook a meal for you if you're local, or, most appropriately, record a story for someone you love. So please be generous in donating to my education now and creative in your request for a return on your investment later. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart.